Wheezing. Wheezing. Definition: a high-pitched whistling sound made while breathing, often associated with asthma or lung disease. Let's look at an example of an everyday conversation.
Eileen, I've been wheezing a lot lately, especially when I breathe. It's concerning.
I'm sorry to hear that, Albert. Wheezing can be a sign of a respiratory issue. Have you had any cold or allergy symptoms?
I've had a persistent cough and some difficulty breathing. I think I should see a doctor.
That's a good decision, Albert. Wheezing can indicate underlying respiratory problems, and a doctor can help diagnose and treat the issue.